Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about how to change IDLE into dark theme. So let us open IDLE. Okay. So after that you need to select here options. So options, click on figure IDLE, configure IDLE. Okay, so in this you can change the font size. So here I am changing size into 40. Okay, so if you want to change phase also it is available, and if you want to change dark theme, let's select highlights. Okay, so after that here IDLE classic, click on IDLE classic. Okay, so after that you need to select IDLE dark. Okay, so after that you can click on apply. So here apply. Okay. In this way, we can change IDLE into dark theme. Follow for more videos. Thank you.